Gyoza, dumplings. A widely enjoyed Asian dish consisting of small, filled pockets of dough, typically filled with a mixture of ground meat, pork, chicken, or shrimp, vegetables, and seasonings, then fried or steamed. Making gyoza or dumplings at home is a wonderful culinary experience. Here's a recipe to make delicious gyoza. Ingredients. For the filling. 1 pound ground pork, or chicken, shrimp, or a combination. 2 cups Napa cabbage, finely chopped. 3 green onions, finely chopped. 4 2 cloves garlic, minced. 5 1 tablespoon fresh ginger, grated. 6 1 tablespoon soy sauce. 7 1 tablespoon sesame oil. 8 1 teaspoon sugar. 9 1 teaspoon rice vinegar. 10 salt and pepper to taste. For assembling. 1 gyoza wrappers, round dumpling wrappers. 2 water, for sealing the dumplings. 3 vegetable oil, for frying, if desired. 4 dipping sauce, such as soy sauce, rice vinegar, and chili oil. Instructions. In a large mixing bowl, combine the ground pork, chopped Napa cabbage, green onions, minced garlic, grated ginger, soy sauce, sesame oil, sugar, rice vinegar, salt, and pepper. Mix thoroughly until well combined. Take a gyoza wrapper and place a teaspoon of the filling mixture in the center of the wrapper. Moisten the edge of the wrapper with water using your finger or a brush. Fold the wrapper in half, creating a half-moon shape, and pinch the edges firmly to seal. You can also create pleats along the edge for a decorative touch and to ensure a secure seal. Repeat the process until all the filling is used or you've made the desired number of dumplings. To cook the gyoza. 1 pan frying. Heat a non-stick skillet over medium-high heat. 1 add a small amount of vegetable oil to coat the bottom of the pan. 1 place the gyoza in the pan without overcrowding. 1 cook for 2-3 minutes or until the bottoms are lightly golden. 2 steaming. To steam the gyoza, place them in a steamer lined with parchment paper or cabbage leaves, and steam for about 6-8 minutes until cooked through. For a crispy texture, you can do both. Pan fry the dumplings for a few minutes until the bottoms are golden brown, then add a small amount of water to the skillet and cover to steam until fully cooked. Serve the gyoza hot with a dipping sauce made from soy sauce, rice vinegar, and a dash of chili oil or any preferred dipping sauce. Enjoy these homemade gyoza as a delightful appetizer or main dish. Adjust the filling ingredients according to your preferences for a personalized touch.